In the dense, suffocating darkness of the Amazon rainforest, something stirs. From beneath the forest floor, 8 massive legs emerge. Each one thick, powerful, bristling with coarse dark hair. Together they span nearly 12 inches, the width of a dinner plate. The Goliath birdiator, the largest spider on Earth. Its body stretches up to 5 inches long, the size of a clenched human fist. Its height, over 1.5 inches of pure armored mass. And its weight, up to 6 ounces. Heavier than most adult mice. Heavier than a billiard ball. This is not a spider. This is a monster built to scale. Its fangs,